wow, this looks incredibly funny, just kind of like bobbing up down. I'm at the gym. Maybe this is going to be really annoying to listen to, but I wanted to make this video. So, just about, let's call it 2 months ago, I started selling out pretty much all of my private label Chinese products, the traditional Amazon FBA type stuff. I was like, you know what? Last 5-6 months I've been working on this USA sourced, USA packaged product company that is going to be more than just, an Amazon private label listing. It's not just a listing on Amazon. This is a brand, this is a company. We have social media, we have a website, we have funnels, we have email lists, we have actual followers, we have people messaging us asking for our products. That's what I'm working on right now. And, I had this kind of epiphany of like, am I going to list that on Amazon? Of course. Or should I primarily focus on getting direct-to-consumer sales from just my website alone? And we're going to focus on Amazon. So we're going to, I was kind of like, I spent the last 4 years being an Amazon private label seller, like 15, 20 products. I think I've lost count. We've had great months, close to $20,000 a month, 30% margins, and I've had products that did $15,000 per month on their own with 60% margins. But like the one thing that happens, people are like, oh, show us. It's like, well, the one thing that happens that's most people don't talk about on YouTube is that like, well, let's look at what happens to those products over the years. So I did that. I made a case study in 2020. I documented one of my brands that I ran on Amazon and what everything that we sold was: macrame shelf, jungle party supplies, a couple other things I don't even remember at this point, but got them to $15,000, $12,000, $13,000 per month, 32% margins, after PPC, 24 or something. And then what happened? First 4 months is awesome. It's really exciting. Month 5, competitors came in. They saw what we were doing. Month 6, everyone's dropping their prices. Month 7, month 8, your margins are squeezed. You're making 10%. Month 9, do you even want to order this again? Do you want to spend another $7,000 on inventory just to make $7,700 back? No, not worth it, right? I could go do that in the stock market with no need to go work with the Chinese supplier, no need to go do anything else. So what I've come to realize, it's going to be a short video, is that you can do Amazon FBA and you can make it profitable for a little bit. But most of the time, if you're selling a commodity product, which that doesn't just mean it's cheese, it's milk, it's oil, it's not just commodities. If you're selling anything that's a physical product that another person can also sell and lower the price for, you're selling a commodity. So, keeping that in mind, you can do that successfully for a few months. I did it for 4 years. This constant thing of like, sell more products to fight the downfall of profit. Sell more products, launch more things. And it works, it's a cool model, but there's a reason there's been this change in my YouTube channel. So I wanted to elaborate a little bit on that. It's like, I do not have a problem with Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA is just a model. It's a place where there's hungry customers and there's a company willing to fulfill the orders for you. But you can't keep approaching it the same way that everyone is approaching it, because you get ordinary results. You get the results everyone else gets. Well, thankfully, I don't live a very flashy lifestyle. I'm an entrepreneur at heart, and that's what I love doing. So over the last 4 years, I've been able to, save money, and now I have capital to do the thing I finally realized I need to do. So that's what I'm working on. Huge update, gym update. Appreciate you sticking around, and be sure to subscribe down below for more updates. But yeah, so everyone asked me how much you make in the comment section. Nothing right now, bucko. I'm building a new business. So if you want to follow along with my journey, just simply documenting the e-commerce business building process for free, feel free to do so. I love all of my community members and everyone who sticks around. It's awesome to be able to have a place to, update these down-to-earth, realistic videos. And if you want to watch someone that makes $1 million a month selling courses, you can, I'm sure you can go find someone else that has a Lamborghini doing that. But that's not this channel. So that's going to do it for today's video. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.